everyone, it's me, Miss Francis again, here with another program for you. And this week, it's Dogman, yay! So, I've got my Dogman shirt, my Dogman hat. You ready to have some fun? Okay, first, let me tell you about our activity bag, or goodie bag as I like to call it. Inside are some mazes and a word search and some other fun things. So I'll be sharing those with you. But before we get started, let's make a Dogman hat. Okay, inside of your activity bag, or your goodie bag as I like to call it, you have the parts to make your hat. Here's the main part. Here's the emblem that goes on the front of the cap. See? 2 ears and a brim if you decide you want to make it. Getting this attached to the main part of the hat is a little bit tricky. So I used glue and tape when putting together my hat. So first we're going to put some glue on the emblem, like so. I'm going to put that right in the middle, like that, okay? Now, we're going to glue on an extra little piece, which I've already done. That makes it long enough to put around your head, and you can do that in just a minute. Now, to do the brim, you've got some little cuts. I'm going to fold those pieces back. And here's the fun part. Put some glue on the back side of the cap. And then if you find the center, like I said, this is kind of tricky. So I'm going to say, ooh, right about like that, so it's in the middle. Then you curl this around, and this is where the tape comes in handy. So let's go back. Okay, so here's the middle. Put a piece of tape right there. Then you're going to curl and fit and like I said, if you don't want to do this part, you don't have to, because it is kind of tricky. And then it will make the hat curl like that. So I'm going to finish taping, because sometimes the glue just doesn't want to stick. So I'm putting tape and keeping the fold at the bottom of the hat. You can see. And then at the end, piece of tape there. It doesn't have to be perfect. And there you go. Your hat has a brim. Then you're going to fit it to your head and tape the back wherever it needs to be to fit around your head. And you have 2 ears that need to go on your cap. I put mine so that they were over my own ears. So you can glue and tape those as well. I'm just going to use tape. And mine were about 1 inch back from the front. And, whoops, my brim is coming apart. Got to put another piece of tape on. And there you have it, your own Dogman cap. Good job. Next, we're going to draw Dogman in 12 ridiculously easy steps. In your goodie bag, there's a piece of paper that at the top it says, How to Draw a Dogman in 12 Ridiculously Easy Steps. Find that sheet of paper, grab a pencil, a marker, a crayon, and let's draw a Dogman. Ready? Here we go. First step, make kind of like a letter C. Then you're going to come all the way around and come back like that. You're going to add 2 eyes like that, and a big smile like that. Then you're going to add an ear and a nose and 3 little dots there. It's got to have a hat like that. Then you're going to make like a little W and then come around, and there's the emblem on the hat and the brim. And there you have it, Dogman in 12 ridiculously easy steps. Good job. Next, we're going to find out which Dogman character are you. In your goodie bag, there's a piece of paper like this that says, which Dogman character are you? And there are a series of questions with 4 answers. You circle the one that works for you. So first question is, what is your favorite food? Gum, pizza, apples, rotten meat. So circle the one that's right for you. Next one, what is your favorite animal? Dolphins, dogs, kittens, evil crows. Circle the answer that's right for you. Why do you like Dogman books? They're really funny, they're exciting, I love the characters. Nothing, I don't like them, and I don't like Dogman. What are you like in school? The class clown, you love pulling pranks and sometimes have trouble paying attention. The hero, you stand up for what's right and make sure everyone is getting along. The good friend, everyone likes you and you are nice to everyone. Diabolical, you're a bad guy and you should go to jail. What is your favorite color? Green, blue, every color. Darkness. What is your favorite hobby? Drawing, sports, smiling, being mean. What word best describes you? Creative, brave, innocent, atrocious. And last, which Dogman book do you like best? Fetch 22, the first one, Dogman, Dogman and Cat Kid. None of them. Okay, so now go through and see which answers you circled, A, B, C, or D. And if you got mostly A's, you are George and Harold. Ta-da! If you got mostly B's, you are Dogman. Ta-da! If you got mostly C's, you are Lil Petey. Ta-da! And if you got mostly D's, you are Petey. Ah! So which Dogman character are you? In your goodie bag, you have 3 cutout pieces like this that are going to be a doghouse. So let's start with the front. You're going to fold the sides, the top, and these tabs here. Then lay it down, put some glue on these tabs, and remember, have some paper underneath on your workspace so that you don't get glue on your furniture. Then you're going to glue this top piece to these tabs, like so, and you can see your doghouse coming together, right? Now, the back, you want to do the same thing. You want to fold all these tabs, like so. Then unfold it, put glue on all of the tabs, and then fit them. You kind of want to fold them back again like this, and you can slide it right into the doghouse. You can reach in from underneath and press down and make sure that everything's sticking together well. You go all around and do that. Now, there's your doghouse. Take your roof, put a lot of glue, like so. Put it on the top, like so. And again, you can lay it down and press. Make sure it sticks really well. There you have a doghouse. And you may be asking yourself, well, what am I going to do with this doghouse? Well, inside your goodie bag, there are 3 ping pong balls. So let's move this paper. And so I really wanted little miniature tennis balls because dogs like to fetch tennis balls, but I couldn't find any, so we're using ping pong balls. So what you're going to do is put your doghouse on a table, on the floor, wherever you like. You're going to try to roll these ping pong balls into the doghouse, like so. Ooh, almost made it. Oh. Oh. Not doing so well, am I? Got it. Whoops. So you may be asking yourself, what am I going to do with this doghouse? Well, inside your good... So you may be asking yourself, what am I going to do with this doghouse? Well, inside your goodie bag, there are 3 ping pong balls. So you are going to take these ping pong balls and you're going to try to roll them into the doghouse. Because dogs like to fetch balls, they like to play with it. So we're playing with it. Oh, I got one. Methinks my table has a slope to it. So anyway, you get the idea. So have fun with that. You also have in your goodie bag 3 PDs. So you can fold this bottom strip of paper up so that PD stands up. And then you set PD up somewhere and you try to knock down PD with the ping pong balls. Now make sure you're somewhere where you're not going to hit anything with the ping pong balls that you shouldn't be hitting. So, voila! 1 PD down, 2 to go. Oh, I missed. I must fetch my ping pong balls. Okay, again. Oh, I missed. Oh, you get the idea. So anyway, have fun. Oh, and by the way, if you want to really have fun with your Dogman program, invite some friends over and watch it together. Have a bowl of kibble as a snack. It's a dog food bowl with cereal in it. This is Reese's Pieces, but you could use any cereal that looks kind of like kibble. And look for my Lego tutorial on how to make Dogman out of Legos. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.